Welcome to the channel OCMB Photography. It's me behind the camera. This is my first POV video of a little walk I did around my local area. So check it out. Follow me on Instagram, OCMB_photography. All of the equipment I use will be linked below. Check that out. Also, I'll put a link in the Instagram if you find that easier. Please enjoy, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Like, subscribe, all of that bollocks.
Welcome everybody to the point of view video, walking around my area. I'm obviously out with my Canon EOS M50 and my new 200mm lens. I took some shots around here before with the smaller kit lens that comes with it. You can see on my Instagram. But yeah, let's get going. It's actually quite a nice little break my neck for this video. Over here on this very wet day. Some quite nice reflections over there, some ducks. Let's see what we can get. The lower we go, the worse the reflection. Oh, we've got some babies. Not a bit too close to speaking, so we've got the lens. Quite like that. See how close I can get to these little dudes without them getting spooked. The ISO back on auto. Happy with that. Right, let's see. I mean, this lens is great. That's 55mm there. And we can definitely get all the way in. Try and get him feeding him. This lens is definitely bringing up some very different challenges, because things that you think are going to be very close. Has anybody got this camera and know why the screen turns itself off like that? Please help a brother out in the comments. Nice. I check in while I'm walking. So I've had the camera now about a week, I think. Getting on quite well with it, to be honest. It's my first one, so again, like I've said on the Instagram, not actually said on here yet, but very, very new to this photography business. Trying to get the most out of the camera on manual mode, which is probably brave for someone with my level of skill, but relatively simple to use camera. This lens was an extra just purely for stuff like this. I want to get more into, there's a sheep right there, don't panic. Put my focus on that tree. It's actually quite cool. I think these could be alright actually. See what we get. Oh, a little lamb. Hello, mate. Yeah, see how they come out. Probably just the, I'll probably put a picture of the bigger sheep because I like that one the most. Yeah, so camera wise, I'm quite happy. Again, like I said, very, very new to this. This is my first one of these videos. Ideally, I'd like to be doing more of these. Apologies if it's really bouncy as well. Around London, and anywhere really. But yeah, as a beginner camera, and to get straight into photography, I don't think you really go wrong. It's kind of, you see, I don't have massive hands. It's quite a small, relatively small camera, small enough you can almost get away with it as not being a professional. Like the guy that went past earlier with huge, no idea what lens that was, massive camera. Like, he's very much a photographer, and I'm sure he takes amazing pictures. Whereas this one, I feel like you can get some good pictures, good quality pictures, and hopefully this is the start of a journey for me, learning a lot about it, because I literally didn't know anything about photography and aperture and all of that. So please give me tips. I'm trying to shoot on manual mode because that's where everyone says is a lot better. Let's get this little guy. Where's it gone? That was terrible. Yeah, so as you can see, I need help. I've got hay fever on, don't excuse. Whoa! Yeah. Need all the help I can get, really. That's but we're very lucky to live in this nice area. It's quite nice, actually. But yeah, night shooting, everything. Want to try the whole lot. I think this lens offers some. What was I putting down here? .55mm problems. These ducks are like in my face. What I'm gonna say is, offers a pick a duck, any duck. Let's get this one in the back. Get some good background. Oh my god, that actually scared the shit out of me just as I pressed the button. It's hilarious. Yeah, I was trying to say, offers a bit more in terms of, you can see it better on the GoPro probably, but it's like some good shots, maybe if anything too close, but currently can't be bothered to switch it up, take that picture. I'll come back with it. It's in the bag currently, and I think I'm running the risk of getting wet if it rains, so I'm just going to keep on moving, see what else we can find. There's some swans around here somewhere that live around here, so we'll see what we can find. Little interlude to talk about the channel. So yeah, sticking with M50, but what I hope to bring is a mix of everything. Like, why did I buy the camera? Take pictures of my family, also just days like this. Like, I love nature and being outside, but also love going to London, car spotting, so there'll be some of that on the channel. And also quite lucky with my job that I can get up close and personal with some military aircraft, so look forward to some of that, something that's a bit different I suppose to most channels out there. Obviously permission's permitted, but yeah, some cool night shots of some military aircraft. But yeah, things to look forward to. Currently sat on this quite cool little bridge here. I'll just see if I can get back again. Promise you a mandarin duck. Got one, a female one. This is one of those weird things when I want to take a picture, but there's kids involved, so probably won't. But that's a nice picture. I'm not going to do it. What I can see over here is it's called a white egret, which is a different, something different. Nearly fell in there. Let's see if we can get this little nest. Big one actually, like I know what it is because once I googled white or albino heron, because that's what I thought it was, but it's called white egret. Hopefully lens wise I'm far enough away that don't spook it to get a good shot of it. It's currently hiding behind some trees. The mandarin that I got was a female, which is frustrating. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is a very tested. Hello, you right? As I said before, I'm a conspicuous camera. GoPro strapped to the chest. It is what it is. Let me jump out of the way here. Go for it with the old phone. Yeah, I'm going to switch the lens up because I'm about to go onto the roads, and I think the shots I want to get, 45 is probably going to be enough. Might change it up again if I want to get some people having coffees or anything. This is going to be funny. I'll flip over. Swap the lenses out, as you can see now. That's a lot more of an inconspicuous camera, handheld. Yeah, let's see what we get. All archways on here. There's no bloody nose. Just take a picture of this dude playing some music. Let's see.
Thank you very much,
man.
That's much appreciated.
Is it alright if I take a couple of pictures?
Yeah, man, no
Fine,
worries.
yeah, thank you.
Do you mind if I just put a mask on?
Oh yeah, no worries.
I'm involved with certain things that are quite illegal around here at the moment.
Right, yeah.
Anti-HS2 stuff.
Oh really?
You've heard about the train line they're building here, aren't you?
Yeah.
So I live on the protest site.
Oh, the one that way? Oh no way, do you know what? I drive past that way on the way to work, and I've seen it from like its infancy.
We've got the tallest protest tower in the UK ever.
Yeah, wow.
Like, it took us a month to build, and it's like a death trap.
Yeah.
And
No,
like,
I see it. I see it all the time. And it's been sad to see, like, as the HS2 people get closer and closer.
Absolute destruction, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awful. Like, especially on the other side of the road.
I mean, this is my lifestyle now. It's like our whole lives are getting put under threat. You've heard about the trespass bill that's coming in November.
Yeah.
Our whole entire way of life is being threatened at the moment.
Yeah.
I could be seen as a criminal and get 10 years in jail just for staying on a piece of land.
Yeah, it's horrible.
You know, and like, I try and raise awareness as much as possible, but
definitely.
like at the same time, it's like, you know, what are you meant to do anymore?
Yeah. But yeah, do you know what? I always drive past it, and I took my wife
Honestly,
before.
mate, go say hello.
Yeah.
Go in, have a cup of tea, say
Yeah.
hello to the folks. Like, we're welcome absolutely
Yeah.
through the door, as long as you're not a copper.
Yeah. So
Pretty much
I'm not.
yeah, man. Like,
Yeah.
you know, we're all very anti-police.
Yeah.
Incredibly anti-police.
Yeah.
But anyone else is more than welcome to say hello.
Amazing.
Please,
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Mask on. I'll take a couple of pictures.
Thank you.
Oh, do you know what? I'll tag the thing on Facebook as well.
Please do.
Because it's the war camp, isn't it?
War camp,
Yeah.
Window for active resistance.
Yeah.
We'll get the side right away, just so it doesn't look like
You do what you're doing, man.
Thank you for asking as well, by the way, man. It's much appreciated.
Yeah.
I've had so many people being like, I'm just going to take a photo of you.
Yeah.
And I'm like, also, pay us or something then.
Yeah.
So I'm not just a performing monkey, you know.
Yeah.
Like,
I bought this the other day. It's my first time, so I'm like, I quite like.
please, man,
Okay.
come to camp, take some pictures.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, I will do.
I mean, definitely ask anyone.
I will. Yeah. I will.
But yeah, man,
Appreciate. Yeah.
Please come. Please come say hello.
Keep doing what you're doing. It's a really
man,
good
bless.
cause. Thank you. Have a good day, man.
Thank you, man.
See ya. Oh, what do you know? I suppose that is the beauty of photography. You get to meet people like that, cool stories. I'll actually put a little link in for where he was talking about. Yeah, they've just built in the woods this resistance camp to HS2, and I mean it's very impressive what they've done. But yeah, I'll put a link in for the Facebook for that. But yeah, that was cool. Hopefully got some good shots of him.
Welcome back. If you've come this far, then you must have liked something in the video, so thank you for that. I will put the link down for the Wendover Active Resistance Camp where that guy lives. Really interesting. Check that out. Again, like, subscribe, Instagram, all the equipment is underneath. More videos coming soon. Got some cool stuff coming up. Doing a shoot at a flying club. Behind me is an airfield, so there's some cool stuff. I'm about to go and take some night shots now, so look out for them on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever you want to do. Take a screenshot, put it on your wall. Thank you, see you on the next video.